Good morning students, I am Samatha, lecturer in chemistry, GDC Women, Hussainialam. Okay students, today we will discuss about coordination compounds. Before that, we have to know what are coordination compounds. Mm, Generally, the compounds are classified into three types: simple salts, double salts, coordination or complex compounds. Here simple salts example are NaCl, KCl, Na2SO4, K2SO4 etc. These are the examples for simple salts. Here simple salts means the salts which ionizes and produce ions when dissolved in water, those are called as simple salts. Means these are the salts dissociates into ion when these are dissolved in water. These salts are called as simple salts. Example NaCl, KCl, Na2SO4, K2SO4 etc. Next is double salts. Double salts example are KCl, MgCl2, 6H2O. This is the double salt. Name of this salt is cornellite. Okay, here double salts means the compounds consist of two or more salts and undergo complete ionization when these dissolved in water. Those are called as double salts. Simple salts means these ionizes completely when these are dissolved in water. Those are called as a simple salts. Double salts means these are the combination of two or more salts, but these are completely uh, undergo ionization when these dissolved in water. So these are called as double salts. Example cornellite, potassium, more salt etc. These all are example for double salts. Next, third type of compounds is coordination or complex compounds. Coordination or complex compounds means these compounds undergo partial dissociation when these are dissolved in water. Means some are dissociates into ions and some complexes are appeared in that solution. So these are not undergo completely ionization. These compounds shows only partially ionization when these dissolved in water. Example K4Fe, CN6, when these dissociates as a two ions means 4K plus ions and one complex hexacyanoferrate complex is there. So these compounds do not undergo complete ionization. So these are called as coordination compounds or complex compounds. This is about the introduction of coordination compounds. Coordination compound means these are having complex structures. When these dissolved in water do not undergo complete ionization, only partial ionization shows. Next, the terms which are present in coordination compounds: central metal ion, ligand, coordination number, coordination sphere and oxidation state. These are the important terms which are present in coordination compounds. First one is central metal ion. Central metal ion means the metal which receive the electrons from the coordination compounds. In coordination compounds, the ion which receive the electrons, that ion or that metal act as a central metal ion, and it must be contain vacant orbitals. When it is having vacant orbitals, then only it receive electrons from other ion or molecule. So this is about central metal ion. Central metal ion means the ion which receive the electrons in coordination complex. That ion is called as a central metal ion. It must be contain vacant orbitals. Next term is ligand. Ligand means it is a ion or molecule which donate the electrons to central metal ion, that is called as a ligand. Okay, here and these ligands are also called as a electron donors. Central metal ion called as a electron receiver or acceptor, whatever it may be. Next term is coordination number. Coordination number means the total number of ligands present in a complex, that is equal to the coordination number. Here for example, hexacyanoferrate complex is there. In that complex, ferrous is the central metal ion. Hexacyano means 6 cyanides are the ligands. So here coordination number is equal to the total number of ligands present in a complex. So 6 cyanide ligands are present. So for that complex, coordination number is 6. Next is coordination sphere. Coordination sphere means the square bracket in which the central metal ion and ligands directly attached, that is called as a square bracket is called as a coordination sphere. Coordination sphere means that is one of the square bracket in which the square bracket in which the central metal ion and ligands are directly attached. That sphere is called as a coordination sphere. Next is oxidation state. Oxidation state, that is based on that metal ion, there may be positive or negative oxidation states are present. Hexacyanoferrate 3 complex is there. The 3 is the oxidation state of ferrous. Next, components of a coordination compound. Here 2 complexes are there in solid, in solution. Here in coordination compounds, metal ion present and ligands are present. Complex ion remains intact upon dissolution in water. When these complex compounds or coordination compounds dissolved in water, out of the sphere ions dissociates into ions. Inside the sphere not dissociates into ion. Complex ion species where transition metal ion is surrounded by a certain number of ligands. Species where transition metal ion is surrounded by certain number of ligands. Transition metal ion here act as a Lewis acid, ligands or act as a Lewis bases. Example compounds are there: hexaamino cobalt 3 complex and triamino bromo platinate platinum complex is there. Next is complex ions, coordination numbers, shapes. Here coordination numbers and shapes of some complex ions. For example, coordination number is 2. The shape of the complex is linear. Okay, this is the shape of the complex. And examples are CuCl2 complex, dichloro copper complex and diamino silver complex and dichloro gold complex. If the coordination number is 4, the shape of the complex is square planar. This is the shape of the complex. Examples are here: dicyanonickelate 2 complex and tetrachloroplatinate complex and tetraamino platinum complex, tetraamino copper 2 complex is there. These are the examples for square planar complexes. Okay, here coordination, the complex shape is based on coordination number. If the coordination number is 2, shape of the complex is linear. If the coordination number is 4, the shape, there are two possibilities are there based on a hybridization. If the coordination number is 4, the structure is square planar. Square planar examples are there. And next, if the coordination in some complexes, if the coordination number is 4, shape of the complex is tetrahedral. Examples here: tetracyano copper 3 ion and tetraamino zincate 2 zinc 2 ion and tetrachloro cadmium complex and tetrachloro manganese complex is there. If the coordination number is 6, the shape of the complex is octahedral shape. Examples are hexa-aqua titanium complex and hexacyano vanadium complex and tetraamino dichloro chromium complex, hexa-aqua manganese complex, hexachloroferrate complex, tris ethylene diamine cobalt complex. Okay, this one is tris ethylene diamine cobalt 3 complex. Okay, these are the some of the shapes of complex compounds. Next, ligands. Molecule or ion having a lone electron pair that can be used to form a bond to metal ion, that is called as a ligand. Ligand means that may be molecule or ion which is having lone pair of electron to donate metal ion and form a bond, that is called as a ligand. Means here molecule or ion which has a capacity to donate pair of electrons to the metal and make a bond between metal and ligand, that is called as a ligand. And this ligand is act as a Lewis base. This bond is called as a coordinate covalent bond because ligand only donates 2 electron and form a bond. So this bond is called as coordinate covalent bond. Metal ligand bond, that is also called as a coordinate covalent bond. Ligands are classified into different types: monodentate ligand, bidentate ligand, tridentate ligand and polydentate ligand based on the capacity of ligands. For example, monodentate ligand means these ligands having one bond to metal ion. Means here this monodentate ligands donates only one pair of electrons and form one bond with metal atom. These are called as monodentate ligands. Bidentate ligand means two bond. Means here bidentate ligands having capacity to donate two pairs of electron and form two bonds with metal atom. So this type of ligands are called as bidentate ligands. Next is a polydentate ligands. More than 2, 3, 4, having more than 2, 3, 4 pair of electrons donate to metal atom and form 3 or more bonds to the metal atom. That type of ligands are called as a polydentate ligands. Ligands in coordination compounds. Some common ligands in coordination compounds, unidentate or monodentate here. Okay, here first is H2O. H2O, water molecule is there. Water is a monodentate ligand. Next is ammonia, NH3. It is also monodentate ligand. Next is F minus, fluoride ion, Cl minus, chloride ion, Cn minus, cyanide, SCN minus, thiocyanide, OH minus, hydroxide, NO2, nitrite ion. Okay, these all are the monodentate or unidentate ligands. Means these ligands having capacity to donate only one pair of electron and form one bond with metal atom. So these are called as monodentate ligands. Next is bidentate ligands. Bidentate ligands means the ligands which have a capacity to donate two pairs of electrons. Those are called as bidentate ligands. Example is ethylene diamine. En is there. En means ethylene diamine. Here two NH2 groups are present. These two NH2 groups having lone pair of electrons. So these two groups donates two pair of electrons to the metal atom and form two bonds with metal. And next is oxalate ion, C2O4 minus 2, oxalate ion. It is also having two pairs of electrons, so it is also formed two bonds with metal atom. So these are called as bidentate ligands. Next is polydentate ligands. Polydentate ligand means more than 3 or 4. So here example is diethylene triamine, diethylene triamine. Okay, here three lone pair of electrons are there. Next is triphosphate ion, here also 3. And next is ethylene diamine tetraacetate, EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate, EDTA. It is a best example for polydentate ligand. Means here EDTA is having 6 pairs of electrons. Means here EDTA donates 6 pairs of electrons to the metal atom and form 6 bonds with the metal. So it is a best example for polydentate ligand. Next, formulas of coordination compounds. Here some rules are there to give name to the complex compound. First we have to write cation, then anion. Second point is total charges must balance to 0. Complex ion in write in brackets. Example is there K2CO NH3 taken twice, Cl4. Here within the square bracket, that is called as a complex ion. Diamino tetrachlorocobalt is there na, that is a complex ion. Outside 2 potassium K2 is present. And next is CONH3 taken for Cl2 within the bracket, outside the sphere Cl is present. Next, nomenclature of complex compounds. Nomenclature of complex compounds. How we can give the name of complex compounds? Some rules are there. Let us discuss about nomenclature of complex compounds. Here, for coordination compounds, first we have to name cation, then anion. In complex compound, both cations or anions are present. We have to write first cation name, then anion. Next rule is, while naming the coordination sphere, naming the ligand first, then name the metal ion. In complex compounds, means complex compound or coordination sphere, ligands on metal atoms are present. So we have to give ligand's name first, then metal ion. Name of the negative ligands is ended with O. Means here, for example, in the complex compounds, negative ligands are present. The name of the ligand is end with O. Example is there here. What are the examples? Cl minus. If the Cl minus is present, the name of the Cl minus is chloro. OH minus is there, hydroxo. NH2 minus is present, amino. Okay, this is the names for negative ligands. If the coordination compounds negative ligands are present, the name is end with O. Next, name of the positive ligands or end with ion. Positive ligands or end with ion. Example, NO2 plus. NO2 plus is the nitronium. N2H5 plus. N2H5 plus is the hydrazinium. Okay, name of the positive ligands is end with ions, means NO2 plus nitronium ion, N2H5 plus hydrazinium ion. Next point is, if similar ligands are present in the complex compounds, prefix are used. If the similar ligands means more than one similar ligands are present in a coordination compounds, then we have to write prefix before the name of the ligand. Okay, that prefix is based on the number of ligands. If one number is present, that is mono. Two number of similar ligands are present, then we have to give di. If three number of similar ligands are present, we have to write tri. If four similar ligands are present, we have to write tetra. 5 similar ligands are present, penta. 6 similar ligands are present, hexa. Okay, if the similar ligands are present more than one in coordination compounds, we have to write prefix before the name of the ligand. If different ligands are present, use alphabetical order. If one amino ligand is present, one chloroligand is present in coordination compound, then amino is first, next chloro. Here we have to follow alphabetical order. If different ligands are present use alphabetical order. For polydentate ligands, following prefixes are used. Means here, if the polydentate ligands are present in coordination compounds, we have to use different prefixes, because polydentate ligands already having di, tri, tetra in their name only. So we do not use bi, tri, tetra. So here we have to use other prefixes, like if the polydentate ligands 2 are present, then we have to write bis. If 3 are present, we write tris. 4 polydentate ligands are present, we have to write tetrakis, etc. If bridged ligands are present, mu is used before the ligand name, mu. Okay. If the bridged ligands are present in coordination compounds, we have to use mu symbol before the ligand name. Next point is central metal ion in positive or neutral, write the same name. Means here central metal atom is a positive or neutral. If it is positive or neutral, we have to write same name. If central metal atom is negative sphere, name of the metal is end with 8. Name of the metal is end with 8 if that is negative sphere. Example, for example, metal is a manganese. If it is a positive or neutral, we have to write as it is, manganese. If it is present in negative sphere, we have to write manganate. Negative ligands are end with 8. Positive or neutral, same, manganese as a manganese. But manganese is present in negative sphere, we have to write manganate. Next example is ferrous, iron. We have to write as it is ferrous or iron. If it is in negative sphere, we have to write ferrate. Next is cobalt. If it is positive or neutral, we have to write cobalt, but it is in negative sphere, we have to write cobaltate. Next example is nickel. Positive or neutral, we have to write nickel as it is. If it is present in negative sphere, we have to write nickelate. Okay, next, after naming the metal ion, oxidation state of metal should write as a Roman number in the bracket. Okay, the oxidation state of metal ion we should write as a Roman number within the bracket. If a positive or negative charge is present on coordination sphere, then write ion after the name of the metal. Means here if the positive charge or negative charge is present on coordination sphere, then we have to write ion after the name of the metal. These are the some rules to give or to predict the name of complex compounds or coordination compounds. Some example complexes are there. K4FeCN6, the name of the complex compound is potassium hexacyanoferrate 2. Potassium hexacyanoferrate 2. Next is FeCN6 4 minus hexacyanoferrate 2 ion. Okay, here complex is having negative charge. If the negative or positive charge is present, we have to write ion after the metal name. Next, CONH3 taken 6 Cl3 hexaamine cobalt 3 chloride. Next is CONH3 6 3 plus hexaamine cobalt 3 ion. COEN taken 3 Cl3. Here bidentate ligand is present, so we have to write bis, tris, tetrakis prefixes. So here 3 ethylene diamines are present, so we have to write tris ethylene diamine cobalt 3 chloride. Next complex is platinum complex PTNH3 2Cl2 Br2. Here different types of ligands are present, so we have to follow alphabetical order. So first we have to write amine, so diamine, then dibromo, then dichloro platinate 3 ion. Okay, these are the some of the examples of coordination compounds. Okay, next names of coordination compounds. First cation, then anion, ligands in alphabetical order. Before metal ion, neutral, molecule name, anionic aid or O. Prefix indicates number of each. Oxidation state of metal ion in bracket only if more than one possible. If one there is no need to write more than. If oxidation state is more than one, we should write within the bracket as a Roman number. If complex ion is equal to anion, metal end with 8. Names of some ligands, neutral and anionic ligands. Neutral, aqua, formula is H2O, amine, NH3, carbonyl, CO, nitrosyl, NO. These are the examples for neutral ligands. Okay, without any charge, no positive charge, no negative charge. Neutral ligands, aqua, amine, carbonyl, nitrosyl. Anionic ligands, fluoro, F minus, chloro, Cl minus, bromo, Br minus, iodo, I minus, hydroxo, OH minus, cyano, Cn minus. These are the examples for anionic ligands. Metal ions in complex anions. Names of some metal ions in complex anions. Metal, for example, iron metal is there. In complex form we have to write ferrate, copper, cuprate, lead, plumbate, silver, argentate, gold, aurate, tin, stannate. In complex compounds, we should write these names: ferrate, cuprate, plumbate, argentate, aurate, stannate, etc. Some more examples are here: potassium diamine tetrachlorocobaltate 2, potassium diamine tetrachlorocobaltate 2. Okay, here two ligands are present, so we have to follow alphabetical order. Amine first, next chloro. First we have to write outside the sphere So first we have to write potassium diamine tetrachloro cobaltate 2. Next is tetraamine dichloro cobalt 3 chloride complex. These are the some examples of coordination compounds. And next once again we will discuss briefly today's session. Okay, what is the today's session? Coordination compounds. Coordination compounds means generally compounds are classified into three: simple salts, double salts, complex compounds are coordination compounds. Simple salts means those are undergo complete ionization when dissolved in water. Example: NaCl, KCl, Na2SO4, K2SO4, etc. Double salts means these are having two or more salts, but these are also undergo complete ionization when these dissolved in water. Next, complex compounds or coordination compound means these are not undergo complete ionization when dissolved in water. And next some terms which are present in coordination compounds. Important terms: central metal ion, ligand, coordination number, coordination sphere, and oxidation state. Next, components of a coordination compound. Complex ion. What the complex ion having combination, that is metal ion and ligands are present. Complex ions shapes based on coordination numbers. If the coordination number is 2, shape of the coordination compound is linear. If the coordination number is 4, the shape of the complex compound or coordination compound is square planar. Here two possibilities for coordination number 4. Here based on the hybridization. If the hybridization is DsP2, the complex shape is square planar shape. If the coordination number is 4, hybridization is sp3, then the compound structure is tetrahedral. Next is the complex compound is having coordination number 6, the shape of the complex is octahedral. Some of the examples also we have discussed. Next, ligands. Ligands means the molecule or ion which is having lone pair of electrons and donate the pair of electrons to metal and form a bond between metal and ligand, that is called as a ligands. Based on the capacity of ligands, these are classified into monodentate ligands, bidentate ligands, and polydentate ligands. Monodentate ligands or unidentate ligand means these are having only one pair of electrons, donate one pair of electron to the metal and form only one bond with central metal atom. So these are called as a monodentate ligand. Some of the examples are there. Next is bidentate ligands. Bidentate ligand means these are having two pair of electrons, donate two pair of electrons to the central metal atom and form two bonds with metal atom. Examples: ethylene diamine and oxalate. Next is a polydentate ligand. Polydentate means 3 or more than 3 pair of electrons are present and form 3 bonds or more than 3 bonds with the central metal atom. Best example for polydentate ligand is EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate. It is having 6 pair of electrons and form 6 bonds with the central metal atom. Next, formulas of coordination compounds. Cation, then anion, total charge must balance to 0, complex ion in bracket. These are the formulas. Nomenclature of complex compounds. First we have to write cation, next anion. And if the complex compound is having metal atom and ligands, first we have to write ligands after metal atom. First write ligands, then metal atom. Name of the negative ligands are end with O, chloro, hydroxo, amino, etc. Name of the neutral ligands are expressed as a special names, and positive ligands are end with ion, nitronium ion, hydrogenium ion, etc. And if the similar ligands are present more than one, we have to use prefix bi, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, etc. These prefix for similar ligands. If different ligands are present, if the different ligands are present in coordination compounds, we have to follow alphabetical order. For polydentate ligands, we have to use some special prefixes like bis, tris, tetrakis, etc. If bridged ligands are present in the complex, we have to write mu symbol before the name of the ligand. Central metal ion is positive or neutral, we have to write same name. If the central metal atom is negative sphere, we have to write, means the metal atom name is end with 8. Example, manganese. If the manganese is positive or neutral, we have to write same manganese. If manganese is in negative sphere, we have to write manganate. For ferrous, positive or neutral, iron. If negative, ferrate. Cobalt, positive or neutral, we have to write cobalt. For negative sphere, cobaltate. Nickel, positive or neutral, nickel. For negative sphere, nickelate. After naming the metal ion, oxidation state of metal should write as a Roman number within the bracket. This is also very important. If positive or negative charge is present on coordination sphere, then write ion after the name of the metal atom. If the complex is having positive charge or negative charge, after that name we have to include ion. Examples are there: potassium hexacyanoferrate 2, hexacyanoferrate 2 ion, hexaamine cobalt 3 chloride, hexaamine cobalt 3 ion, tris ethylene diamine cobalt 3 chloride, diamine, dibromo, dichloro, platinate 3 ion. Names of coordination compounds: cation, then anion. Ligands in alphabetical order before metal ion. Anionic aid or O. Prefix indicates number of each. Oxidation state of metal ion, we have to write within the bracket if more than one is present. If complex ion is equal to anion, metal end with 8. These already we have discussed. Some of the neutral ligands: aqua, amine, carbonyl, nitrosyl. These are the examples for neutral ligands. Anionic ligands: fluoro F-, chloro Cl-, bromo Br minus, iodo I minus, hydroxo OH minus, cyano Cn minus. These are the some of the examples of ligands. Metal ions in complex anions. If metal ion is iron, we have to write ferrate, copper cuprate, lead plumbate, silver argentate, gold aurate, tin stannate. These are the special names of some metals. Some of the examples: potassium diamine tetrachloro cobaltate 2, tetraamine dichloro cobalt 3 chloride. Okay students, this is about coordination compounds introduction and some terminology, and important is nomenclature of coordination compounds. How we can give names of coordination complexes. Hope you understood. This is about today's session. Okay students, hope you understood. Thank you.